the essay I got in my exam was same from the prediction file. So
Mm-hmm.
it was very easy to get ideas from that. And the teachers were very helpful, and they also gave me one-to-one sessions regarding my doubts and
Mm-hmm.
the mock test clearances.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Navneet with me. She is from Melbourne, one of our online students, a perfect 90 in PT, 90 writing, 90 speaking, listening is 90 as well, 89 in reading. Congratulations, Navneet. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Navneet, being an online student, taking the PT for the first time, getting a perfect 90, what do you think is the most important factor when it comes to cracking the PT test? That too in the first go with a perfect 90.
I think the main is, I think, the practicing a lot. You can take the classes, you can study from the teachers, but you need practice by yourself.
Correct.
So maybe, yeah,
So it's not just about attending the classes or getting to know the strategies. It's more about
yeah,
implementing the strategies and seeing what mistakes you're making and how you have to improve the same.
yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I think the main is the mock test. By giving mock test, you can
mhm,
get a feel of actual exam,
mhm.
and then you don't get nervous while giving the exam because you've already been sitting in an exam. So I think mock tests are very important because I gave around 10-20 mock tests before my exam.
Wow.
Yeah.
See that is what I always tell the students. If you just know the strategy, or if you've got a template, don't think you'll just go implement the strategy or use the template and get the scores. It's more about practicing, implementing strategies, what you have learned, taking the mock test, having a look at what mistakes you're making, what you need to work on, working on the same, taking the feedback from the tutors, and then going and taking your PT test and getting a perfect score like Navneet has. Navneet, reading is one module where a lot of students do, struggle. They find it difficult. You've got 89 in reading. What do you think is important for reading, and how did you practice reading?
I think a lot of strategies were given for reading in the classes, but
Mhm.
the main was, I think, grammar. You need to be good at grammar as well because grammar is the main. Because so many questions has the grammar questions,
Yep.
so you need to write according to that. You have to get the answer according. And moreover, what I did was that when I did the sentences, the filling the blanks, I
Mm-hmm.
read the sentence again to make sense that if the option is the making sense or not in that particular sentence,
Understand that.
because sometimes the words are similar, so
Yep.
we are confused, but we need to get the word which makes sense in it.
Correct.
And moreover, you gave a list about the collocation words which were, because we need to remember those words also, because some filling the blanks are very easy because you know the collocation words,
Correct.
you can get the answer from that.
That's
And
100%.
the practice is also important.
That's 100% correct. It's very important to practice. And one thing which I really liked is that once you select an option, read the sentence again to see if it is actually making sense, if it is
Yeah.
natural, if when spoken it is going in the flow, and is it coming naturally or not? Is it fitting into the sequence and the context? If yes, then only you have to select that. Otherwise, you have to look for other options. And as she has mentioned, practice is the key. Work on your collocations, use the grammar rules, but most importantly, practice, implement the rules, and then you'll get to know how you have to crack your reading module as well. Navneet, one question which I get from a lot of students: how many hours should we be putting every day? How many hours did you use to study?
When I did the classes, they were like 2 hour classes every day, like 2 hours. So I did attend all the classes. So around 6 hours I did as
Wow.
PT. I took
Mm-hmm.
some holidays in between, and so I studied for like 6 hours and practiced a lot, and with the mock test as well.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I give around 6 hours.
So
Yeah, I don't need to
basically,
get necessarily 6 hours, but
uh-huh. But yeah,
the more you practice, is better.
better.
Like how much you can. Yeah.
That's 100% correct. It's more about the effort. See, she has got 90. It's not just I gave her the strategy or we provided her the lessons and she has got the scores. 6 hours every day. And plus, on top of that, practicing, taking the mock test, attending all the classes, putting in the hard work, that is something which will give you your desired outcomes as well. Navneet, any final piece of advice? There are a lot of students from Melbourne, from all over Australia who are planning to take the test or who have taken the test, not really getting the desired scores. Any tips, any strategies which you personally followed, which you think were helpful and helped you get this score?
I think the prediction files are quite important
Mhm.
because the essay I got in my exam was same from the prediction file, so
Mhm.
it was very easy to get ideas from that. And moreover, you have to write by yourself. You have to understand the question
Correct.
for the writing especially, and you have to write your own ideas, not the template only.
Mhm.
I think moreover, classes were quite informative for me because the teachers were very helpful, and they also gave me one-to-one sessions regarding my doubts and
Mhm.
the mock test clearances.
Yeah.
So I think everyone should attend the classes and get the particular strategies.
Yeah.
Um, I think the last one I would like to say that practice. The
Yep.
main one is practice from prediction files and practice all the mock tests, how much you can before the exam.
Correct.
Yeah,
100%
yeah.
correct. See, practice is the key, but practicing in the right direction under the right guidance is something which will help you get over the line. It's not just about practicing, it's not just about the classes, it's not just about having the access to strategies or templates. It's a combination of everything. You get the strategies, you get the feedback from tutors, but you'll have to practice. No one else will come and practice it for you. So you put in the hard work, we'll be there to guide you, provide you the best strategies. And yes, very important, you cover the prediction files. There are very high chances you get majority of your test, majority of the questions from the prediction file itself. Congratulations once again, Navneet, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Guys, remember this thing. If she has done it, she has got perfect 19 the very first go. If I've done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and work smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep on practicing.